नाही त्याच्यामुळे तर वाटतंय ना ते दुसऱ्यामुळे होतंय ना आपल्याला. गुड मॉर्निंग. The screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
So today we will start this new chapter, chapter number 4. The name of the chapter is Structure of Atom. It is one of the biggest chapter in physical chemistry. See the weightage, it is having the 7 marks weightage. It is with option, and without option it is having 5 marks. Most of the part it is deleted. This completely introduction, then what is meant by discovery of protons, discovery of neutrons, all this is deleted part. Some extra slides are given which are important for the CET purpose, because for the CET this chapter is included. So after 12th standard I will give you the new PDF file in which these deleted symbols will be removed. But for the 11th standard, to avoid the confusion of reduced syllabus, I have made this deleted symbols on the slides. So this part will be not asked for the examination. So before starting this concept of atomic number, uh, actually you know about this atomic number. I want to ask some questions to the students. Avishkar is there? Avishkar Mari?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is the atomic number of scandium? Tell me the atomic number of scandium.
21, sir.
It is present in S block, P block, or D block, or A block.
S.
Wrong. Then Mahesh. Mahesh is there?
Sir, can I say?
Yes, sir.
Mahesh, tell me, scandium is present in which block?
D block.
Very good. Atomic number is 21. 21 to 30, that is first transition series. Remember. Now, Arya Arankalle, unmute yourself. I want to ask one question. Arya.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the periodic trends of ionization enthalpy in a group and a period. What is happening
Hello, sir.
to the ionization energy?
Hello, sir.
Yes? I am
Can you
audible?
repeat?
I am audible?
No, can you repeat?
Arya? आवाज येत नाही का? आविष्कार आवाज येतोय का?
येतोय सर.
येतोय ना?
येतोय, सर.
Yes, sir.
ठीक आहे. दुसऱ्याला विचारू थांब आपण. भूमी आहे की भूमी धर्मावत?
Yes, sir.
What is ionization energy? Tell me.
The energy needed for formation of an ionic bond is known as ionization energy.
Formation of ionic bond.
Yes, sir.
Pranav Kulkarni is there? Pranav?
Yes, sir.
Whatever the definition told by Bhumi is correct or wrong? If it is wrong, tell me the correct definition. Not correct.
Sorry, sir. I'm not.
You don't know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Sanjana? Sanjana, tell me the definition told by Bhumi is correct or wrong. If it is wrong, tell me the correct definition. Sanjana, unmute yourself. सांगा पटपट, वेळ नका वाया घालू, मला सुरू करायचं पुढचं. सांगा आता तुम्ही. अर्जुन आहे का? अर्जुन? थांब एक मिनिट, मला आवाज येत नाही व्यवस्थित. एक मिनिट, एक मिनिट. आवाज येते का माझा आता? What is ionization energy?
Energy required to remove one electron from outer shell
Okay,
and gases shell.
ठीक है. Sanika Navle, tell me, ionization energy increases or decreases from top to bottom in a group? With reason, tell me. Sanika. सानिका नवले, आवाज येतोय का माझा?
Increases, sir.
Top to bottom?
Yes.
Why?
Because electrons lower energy.
Mhm. Tell me, atomic size increases or decreases from top to bottom? Forget about the ionization energy for 2 minutes. Tell me what will happen to the atomic size from top to bottom. Abhinay Thorat, tell me. Abhinay.
Sir, it will increase
Very good. So if the
because the
Hmm.
atoms are increasing.
atoms are not increased, oh, how atom will
They
be
are
increased?
not the numbers, atomic number.
Electrons are increasing, so the new shell is
Hmm.
added. Electrons are added in the new shell, so atomic size increases
Oh.
from top to bottom. As atomic size increases, the outermost electron will go away from the nucleus. As
Hmm.
it will go away from the nucleus, it will be easily removed.
Hmm.
So what will happen to the ionization energy? Ionization energy will be less.
Decreases.
Very good. Ionization energy will be
Hmm.
decreased.
Decreased.
So these are the
Hmm.
some questions on the previous chapter. Today, let's move to the concept of atomic number. So atomic number is actually the number of protons present in the nucleus of the atom of the particular element. It is called as atomic number and it is denoted with this symbol Z. So Z is nothing but number of protons, and number of protons are also equal to the number of electrons. That's why the atom is electrically neutral. Now, what is meant by mass number? It is denoted with symbol capital A. This mass number is nothing but it is the sum of protons and neutrons, remember. So mass number is what? It is the sum of number of protons and number of neutrons present in the nucleus of the atom. It is called as A. So A is Z plus N, where N is number of neutrons. So this combination is called as combination of this ऍक्च्युली हे उलट झाले, झेड खाली पाहिजे आणि ए वरती पाहिजे. माझ्याकडनं हे चुकून वरती खाली झालेलं आहे. ऍक्च्युली atomic number should be below and atomic mass number should be above. So this combination is called as nuclide. Remember, this can be asked for MCQ purpose. This can be asked for MCQ purpose. Actually this Z should be below and A should be above.
सर इथं प्रोटॉन्स आणि न्यूट्रॉन्स न्यूक्लियस मध्ये प्रेझेंट असतात का सर?
मग कुठं असतात? आणि इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रिव्हॉल्विंग अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस असतात.
हा
ठीक आहे?
सर, येस.
लक्षात ठेवा. हे मला वाटतं स्कूल्समध्ये तुम्हाला झालं असेल कुठेतरी 10वीला 9वीला 8वीला.
हो सर झाले.
हा, बेसिक गोष्टी त्या सगळ्या. दिस इज द बेसिक थिंग्स. नाव आय एम कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज आयसोटोप्स. आयसोटोप्स
होता ना सर.
हा, हे पण आयसोटोप्स पण होतं मला वाटतं 10वीला.
होतं सर, होतं.
पिरियडिक टेबल मध्ये सगळं होतं.
ठीक आहे, लक्ष द्या. थोडीशी रिव्हिजन आहे आणि नंतर मग आपण त्याच्या डिटेल्समध्ये जाणार. ठीक आहे, मी सगळ्यांना आता म्यूट करतो इथे 2 मिनिट. सी. So isotopes is what? Isotopes, these are the species in which same atomic number is there. Atomic number is same, but this mass number is different. It is called as isotopes, remember. So this A will be different, but the Z will be same. This species is called as isotopes, and some examples are given here. Mass number is different. Actually, another definition is given: the atoms of the element in which number of protons are same actually, but number of neutrons are different. That's why this is changing. The mass number is changing because of neutrons. Protons are same, Protons are same means atomic number is same actually, because atomic number means it is the number of protons, means this Z is same, and actually this A is different. A means again it is a combination of protons and neutrons. So number of neutrons are different in the isotopes. So some examples are given. Isotopes of hydrogen, there are 3 isotopes. One is protium, deuterium, and tritium. These are the isotopes of hydrogen. Another isotopes of oxygen. See here, hydrogen having the atomic number is 1 in all the 3 cases. Atomic number is 1. So the mass number will be changing. In case of protium, the mass number is 1. In case of deuterium, it is 2. And in case of tritium, it is 3. So atomic number is same and the mass number is differently. Some isotopes of oxygens are also given. Oxygen having the 3 isotopes, 16, 17 and 18. Chlorine has 2 isotopes, 35 and 37. Here I want to ask one question. So I am unmuting all. Tell me here 16, 17 and 18. What is the atomic number of oxygen? These are the mass numbers. 16,
Sir, 16.
These are
16.
the 16. It is a mass number. 17 also it is the mass number. 18 is also the mass number. What is the atomic number? Tell me the Z. 8. Correct. So 8, it is the atomic number of oxygen, and these 16, 17, 18, these are the mass numbers. Means the mass number is different. Now I am coming to the chlorine. 35 and 37. This is the mass number. Tell me the atomic number of chlorine.
35.
Atomic number है क्या तो 35?
12.
17.
17. 17 is correct. 17 is the atomic number of chlorine. So this 35. Anyone can tell me the number of neutrons present in chlorine? Number of neutrons in this 35.
Sir, 35.5. 35.5.
Wrong. 35, it is the combination of proton plus neutron. बघा मी सांगतो थांबा जरा. हे 35 कशापासून बनलेले आहे? This 35 means it is the combination of proton plus neutron. Actually we know the protons because 17 it is the atomic number. So 35 minus 17 we will get the answer of neutrons. 35 35 minus 17, whatever the answer, that will be the number of neutrons. This can be asked for 1 mark. Calculate the number of neutrons. In case of this isotope, oxygen 18 isotope, tell me the number of neutrons. Tell me the number of neutrons. Atomic number is 8. So
10, sir.
10. Correct. So I think you understand this, what is meant by isotopes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am coming to the isobars. It is opposite to the isotopes, in which the Z is different. See, we can see clearly 18, 19 and 20. Means the Z is different, but this atomic mass is same. We can see here atomic mass is same, but the atomic number is different. The examples are given here, isobars. Actually, these are the neighboring elements. See, the neighboring elements, atomic number is 18, atomic number is 19, atomic number is 20. These are the neighboring elements in which they having the A is same, means the mass number is same, but atomic numbers are different. Atomic numbers are different. Now, here one question is asked, calculate the number of protons in each element. Calculate the number of protons in each element. It is very easy.
Argon 22, potassium 21.
Protons विचारलेलं आहे.
सर आर्गॉनचे 18 तिकडेच दिले सर 18, 19.
ठीक आहे, इथं उत्तर दिलंय ना इथं. बरोबर आहे ना, उत्तर दिलेलीच आहेत ना इथं. 18, 19, 20 हे काय आहे? प्रोटॉन्सच आहेत ना. म्हणजे कसं फसवलंय बघा की students seems neutrons are asked, but actually the protons are asked. Now tell me In case of calcium, how many neutrons are present?
20.
20, because 40 minus 20.
20,
हे असे एक मार्काला
21
विचारतात
and 22.
असे क्वेश्चन एक मार्काला विचारतात लक्षात हे MCQs किंवा VSA ला विचारतात व्हेरी शॉर्ट आन्सर. नाउ द नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट इज आइसोटोन्स. आइसोटोन्स म्हणजे काय आहे बघा. दीज आर द atoms
सर
of
ते
the
मागची स्लाइड दाखवली एकदा.
हा बघा काय याच्यात डाऊट असेल तर विचार लगेच.
नाही स्क्रीनशॉट काढलो सर.
ते पाठवले ना सगळे मी ऑलरेडी.
हा येस सर ओके.
नोट्स ऑलरेडी सेंड केले.
सगळे ऑलरेडी नोट्स तुमच्याकडे आहेत. तुम्ही त्याचे प्रिंट आउट काढून घ्या नंतर. ठीक आहे. आइसोटोन्स मीन्स व्हॉट? सेम नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स. The species which is having the same number of neutrons in their nuclei, it is called as isotones. See, these examples are given here. These are also the neighboring elements. Boron, atomic number is 5 here. Atomic number 5 means the protons are 5 here. Carbon having the atomic number is 6. So its mass number is different. Its mass number is different. But what is the definition? These are the different elements having the same number of neutrons. Neutrons should be same. So the protons are 5. In case of boron, in case of carbon, the protons are 6. See here, the mass number is 11. Mass number is the total of proton plus neutron. So we have to calculate the neutrons by using this formula. Neutrons is equal to A minus Z. So we can see here 6 neutrons are present in case of boron and 6 neutrons are present in carbon. So see, both the elements having the same number of neutrons. So such elements, such types of species are called as isotones. Remember. Now again some examples of here isobars are given. See this isobars examples are given. Compounds having the, what is isobars? Atomic mass number is same, but the atomic number is different. So these are the isobars. And here again some examples of isotopes are given. Some examples of isotopes are given here. Then next point is atomic models. Next point is atomic model. This is not for your syllabus. Thomson model of atom. This is not for your syllabus. Rutherford's atomic model I will explain. This is very famous, but in your textbook it is very shortly it is given. Deleted मध्ये बघू दे मला एक मिनिट. Actually this is in deleted syllabus. Rutherford models is also deleted. I forgot to mark here. So atomic model, this is deleted. Remember, this is also deleted. This is also deleted.
सर तुम्ही एक नोट्स पाठवले बघा 72 पेजेसचं. सर ते सर ते क्लासबुक मध्ये लिहायचं का नोटबुक मध्ये थोडं पुरं?
लिहायला काहीच सांगितलेलं नाही मी तुम्हाला.
सर म्हणजे नोट्स लिहायचे का बुक मध्ये?
नोट्स ऑलरेडी दिलेले आहेत मी तुम्हाला. जे अवघड वाटतंय ते तुम्ही लिहा, आणि जर सगळंच सोपं वाटत असेल तर काहीच लिहायची गरज नाही.
येस सर ओके. हा सर.
मी असं काही तुम्हाला लिखाण काही दिलेलं नाही, म्हणजे तुम्हाला समजलं पाहिजे. ऍक्च्युली हे डिलीटेड मध्ये का चार चेक करतोय मी, एक मिनिट.
येस सर.
येस, रुदरफोर्ड मॉडेल डिलीटेड मध्ये. दिस इज इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेटिक वेव्ह. फिजिक्स मध्ये झालं असेल ना तुम्हाला व्हॉट इज मीन बाय इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेटिक वेव्ह.
Yes, sir.
हा सर फिजिक्स मध्ये झाला होता.
म्हणून जो फिजिक्सचा कॉन्सेप्ट आहे तो काढलेला आहे इथून. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय दिस वेव्ह लेंथ हे सगळं माहिती आहे ना तुम्हाला. व्हॉट इज वेव्ह लेंथ, व्हॉट इज फ्रिक्वेन्सी, व्हॉट इज अँप्लिट्यूड. त्याच्यामुळे इकडून काढून टाकलेले आपण.
येस सर.
खूप पोर्शन यातलं काढलेले. It is very difficult to understand because if the link, if it will be broken, then it will be very difficult to teach also. No any question will be asked on this spectrum, remember. No any question will be asked on this line emission spectrum of hydrogen.
सर हे ते हे नाही येणार नाही का सर फायनल परीक्षाला, फायनल एक्झामला?
ह्याच्यावरती प्रश्न येणार नाही. मी सांगितलं लाईन इमिशन स्पेक्ट्रम. ठीक आहे. बिकॉज ऑल दिस मॅथमॅटिकल पार्ट it is given, no any question will be asked. From here we will start. Bohr's model of atom. This is not deleted. Yes, we will start. So this is the name of the scientist, Niels Bohr. Niels Bohr in 1913. The photograph is also shown here. The name of the scientist Niels Bohr modified the Rutherford model. आता तुम्ही Rutherford मॉडेलच माहित नाही तुम्हाला, कारण ते डिलीट केलेलं आहे. This is the main drawback because you don't know the Rutherford model. त्याला Rutherford's मॉडेल आधी शिकवायला लागेल. तुम्हाला इंटरेस्ट आहे का Rutherford मॉडेल ऐकायला?
झालंय.
होतंय का?
हो सर.
ठीक आहे. मग Rutherford मॉडेल.
काय सर आम्हाला नव्हतं.
तुमचं कुठलं बोर्ड आहे?
SSC आहे सर.
SSC ला नव्हतं का? कुठल्याला होतं?
नाही सर.
CBSE ला होतं का?
SSC ला होतं सर.
SSC ला होतं सर.
सुदर्शन तुझं वेगळं एकट्याचं वेगळं बोर्ड आहे का?
खरं मी खोटं कशाला बोलू?
इथं डिस्कशन नाही करायचं. ठीक आहे. So Niels Bohr in 1913 modified Rutherford's model because there are some drawbacks found in Rutherford models. These drawbacks try to solve by this Niels Bohr. He proposed a model for the hydrogen atom only. He proposed this model for the hydrogen atom which contains only one electron. He used for this Bohr's model, he used different theories: quantum theory, wave particle duality of electromagnetic radiations, and also emission line spectra of the hydrogen. By using this concept, he proposed his model. So what is this model? We will discuss in detail. So Bohr's model is based on the following postulates. Some postulates are given. Number one postulate is given: electron in the hydrogen atom. Okay. So this model is only for hydrogen atom, remember. The electron in the hydrogen atom can move around the nucleus. Electron in the hydrogen atom can move around the nucleus in one of the concentric circular paths. It is called as orbits. So this name orbit, it is given by the Bohr's model. But Rutherford failed to explain exact position of the electron around the nucleus. So this drawback is cleared by Niels Bohr. Because in case of Rutherford models, Rutherford don't know the position of exact where the electron is kept around the nucleus. But this Niels Bohr is saying electron, because there is only one electron in the hydrogen atom which is moving around the nucleus, and where it is moving, one of the concentric circular paths, means 100% there will be more number of concentric paths. These concentric paths are situated at a definite distance from the nucleus. So he also given information where the concentric paths are there. So the position of concentric path is fixed, and these circular paths are called as orbits. There are stationary orbits for electrons. These orbits are stationary, these are not changing. As long as electron revolves in these stationary orbits, they do not radiate energy. Means when the electrons are revolving, they do not radiate energy. But in case of Rutherford's theory, there is one drawback of Rutherford's theory. When any charged particle is revolving, it emits radiation. It is given by the Rutherford. But the Niels Bohr is saying, as long as electrons are revolving in the stationary orbit, they do not radiate energies. The energies of the electron remain constant in the stationary orbits, remember. So this is a main postulate of the Bohr theory. He explained the energies of the electrons remain constant in the stationary orbit. And Rutherford is saying when any charged particle is revolving, it emits radiations and its energy will be decreasing. Different stationary levels or stationary orbits are called as shells. What is meant by shells? It is given by the Niels Bohr. So these shells are also the orbits. See, this is the nucleus. So this is the first shell, then second shell, then third shell, fourth shell. These are also called as energy levels. And these are denoted by these letters K, L, M, N. So for K, it is N is equal to 1, means this is first energy level or first shell. For K, this value will be 1. For L, this value will be 2, and it will be increases 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Then number 3 postulate, an electron can revolve only in those stationary orbits without radiating energy. ते आत्ताच सांगितलं मी. For which the angular momentum of an electron is the integral multiple of h divided by 2 pi. What is meant by now angular momentum? फिजिक्स मध्ये झाले का बघा? झाले का फिजिक्स मध्ये? अनम्यूट केले तुम्हाला, सांगा मला.
हो सर.
झालंय ना? त्याची माहिती पण इथे दिलेली मी. जर अँग्युलर मोमेंटम तुम्हाला माहित नसेल.
येस सर झाले.
अरे काय हो बोलते, वेलोसिटी झाली, मोमेंटम नाही झाली.
हा ठीक आहे, अँग्युलर मोमेंटम सांगायचं का तुम्हाला? काय सांगतो. ठीक.
हो सर सांगा.
फोर्थ नंबरचं पॉस्ट्युलेट ऐका आधी. एनर्जीज goes on increasing as stationary levels goes away from the nucleus. See this diagram and see the postulate. What is this postulate? Energy goes on increasing as stationary levels goes away from the nucleus. So this is the nucleus. As these stationary orbits go away from the nucleus, energy will be increasing. Now the angular momentum is shown here. Angular momentum is nothing but it is the product of moment of inertia. Moment of inertia, it is denoted with symbol I, and angular velocity is omega. So angular momentum is the product of I into omega. I is moment of inertia and this omega is velocity. But moment of inertia is given. Now you know about the moment of inertia?
नो सर.
नो सर.
मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया काय प्रकारे माहिती का? मला वाटतं स्कूल मध्ये तुम्हाला झालं नाही का? फिजिक्स मध्ये
नाही सर झालंय पण लक्षात नाहीये.
सो दिस इज इन
नाही,
द
मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया नाही झालं. इनर्शिया सांगितलं.
ही डायग्राम बघितलं की तुम्हाला कळेल. बट दिस मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया इज गिवन. इट इज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एम इंटू आर. ठीक आहे. अँड velocity it is given, it is v divided by r. आता v काय इकडे बघा दिलेलं, इथं v आणि इथं r दिलंय. दिस इज द रेडियस. ठीक आहे. दिस इज v. So omega is v divided by r and moment of inertia is m into r. r square, sorry, m into r square आहे. स्क्वेअर आहे. स्क्वेअर इथं वरती पाहिजे डोक्यावर. तर का लक्षात घ्या, स्क्वेअर पाहिजे. जस्ट आय वॉन्ट.
येस सर.
हां स्क्वेअर आहे, बरोबर आहे. रेडियसचा स्क्वेअर. सो मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया इज इक्वल टू m into r square, and omega is v divided by r. So angular momentum, put the values in this equation. Moment of inertia ची व्हॅल्यू इथे पुट करायची, त्याच्यानंतर ओमेगाची व्हॅल्यू पुट करायची, and this will be angular momentum. It is the product of m into v into r. त्याच्यामध्ये डिटेलमध्ये जायची
सर हे
आपल्याला.
फॉर्म्युला आहे.
हा फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला याचे डिटेलची काहीही गरज नाहीये. ठीक आहे, आपल्याला फक्त बोर्स मॉडेलची पॉस्ट्युलेटची गरज आहे. अँग्युलर मोमेंटम कोण काढायला विचारत नाही आपल्याला. ठीक आहे, फक्त बोर्सनी सांगितले अँग्युलर मोमेंटम काय, फॉर दॅट इट इज एक्सप्लेन्ड हियर ओनली. So it is given in the postulate number 3. Now the postulate number 5 is what? Definite amount of energy is absorbed when electron jumps from lower energy to higher energy level. So for the jumping, energy is absorbed. Without absorbing energy, the excitation of electron cannot take place. Similarly, definite amount of energy is given out when electron jumps from higher to lower. म्हणजे वरून खाली येताना काय होतं, एनर्जी विल बी गिवन आउट, आणि खालीून वरती जाताना काय होतं की एनर्जी शुड बी, एनर्जी इज ॲब्सॉर्ब्ड व्हेन वी हॅव टू जम्प फ्रॉम लोअर टू हायर. लोअर टू हायर आपल्याला जर जायचं असेल एनर्जी लेवलमध्ये, तर एनर्जी शुड बी ॲब्सॉर्ब. विदाउट ॲब्सॉर्बिंग एनर्जी, एक्सायटेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन कॅनॉट टेक्स प्लेस. एक्सायटेशन मीन्स एनर्जी ॲब्सॉर्ब केल्यानंतर एका ऑर्बिटमधून दुसऱ्या ऑर्बिटमध्ये, ऑर्बिट विल बी चेंज, दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज एक्सायटेशन. मीन्स ग्राउंड लेवल टू हायर लेवल, that is called as excitation. And for the excitation, absorption of energy is required. And opposite to this absorption, if higher to lower, energy will be released. So these postulates are given by the scientist Niels Bohr in 1930. He studied these theories: quantum theory, wave particle duality, electromagnetic radiations, and after that study he given these postulates. आता त्याचे रिझल्ट्स काय बघू आपण. तर ते रिझल्ट्स, व्हॉट आर द रिझल्ट्स ऑफ बोर्स मॉडेल. The stationary states of electrons are numbered. Hey, this is principal quantum number KL. This is also KL M N, like this. So this is also called as the shells, or it is also called as the stationary orbits. The radii of the stationary states are, it is given by this formula. Actually all these are mathematical steps. This is not asked for the examination, remember, but for the, if it is given by the Niels Bohr, what are the results, we have to study these results. त्याचे रिझल्ट्स, त्याच्या एक्सपेरिमेंटचे हे रिझल्ट्स आहेत. त्याने काय सांगितले बघा, द रेडिया ऑफ द स्टेशनरी स्टेट्स आर, these are the radius given Rn. So Rn, it is given by the formula n square a naught, n square a naught, where a naught is 52.9 picometers. Thus radius of the first state, radius of the first state, त्याची व्हॅल्यू पुट करून काढायची आपल्याला. इट विल बी 52.9. हे 52.9 कसं आलं कळलं का बघा.
हा सर,
कळलं ना. ठीक आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये डिटेल्समध्ये जायची गरज नाही. हां, द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट प्रॉपर्टी असोसिएटेड विथ द इलेक्ट्रॉन इज द एनर्जी ऑफ इट्स स्टेशनरी स्टेट. आता एनर्जी कशी काढलेली बघा, एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू मायनस आर एच. मायनस आर एच, आता तुम्ही म्हणाल हे आर एच काय प्रकारे, सगळं दिलेले खाली. मायनस आर एच इंटू ब्रॅकेट 1 डिवाइड बाय एन स्क्वेअर, वेअर एन इज दिस प्रिन्सिपल क्वांटम नंबर 1 2 3, and RH, this
प्रिन्सिपल क्वांटम नंबर काय सर
सांगतो पुढे येणार येते. एनर्जी लेवल असते, म्हणजे इलेक्ट्रॉन कुठल्या शेल मध्ये, इलेक्ट्रॉन इज प्रेझेंट इन विच शेल, इट इज डिनोटेड बाय द प्रिन्सिपल क्वांटम नंबर. सपोज सी, सी